Hello everyone, today we are working on a hotel management system using JIT Java. The idea is simple. We have a hotel class with attributes like hotel ID, hotel name, date of booking, number of rooms booked, Wi-Fi facility or total bill. The task is to create two methods. My first is काम देता है method that counts the number of rooms booked for a specific month. Second, a method that finds the hotel with the second highest bill where the Wi-Fi option matches a given input. We will also make sure everything is private in the hotel class to protect the data using encapsulation on getters and setters to access and update the attributes, for example. You have 4 hotels with their details listed. Hotel 101 is best stay with 10 rooms booked on 1st January 22 on a total bill of 2,000 with Wi-Fi option yes. Hotel 102 is Apple, stay with 3 rooms booked on 12th February 22 and a total bill of 4,000 with Wi-Fi option. Yes, Hotel 103 is a code with 5 rooms booked on 11th May 2022 and a total bill of 15,000 with Wi-Fi option yes. Hotel 104 is Royal Park with 7 rooms booked on 20th December 2021 and a total bill of 12,000 with Wi-Fi option yes. Month to search is May, Wi-Fi option to search is yes. We are asked to do two things. First, search by month. How many rooms were booked in May? Or at looking at the hotels, only Hotel 103 Accord was booked in May with 55 rooms. So the output for this is 5. Secondly, we may search for hotels with Wi-Fi option. Yes, here are all 4 hotels have this Wi-Fi option. We need to find the hotel with the second highest total bill here. Hotel 101 has the highest bill at 2,000 and Hotel 103 has the second highest bill at 15,000. So the output for this is Hotel 103 with the hotel ID of 103. So the final output for the example is 5 for the rooms booked in May, 103 for the hotel with the second highest bill. Now let us walk through the code step by step. This will help you understand exactly how we implement the solution. First, we creating the hotel class. We start by creating a class called hotel. This class represents each hotel with the following attributes: hotel ID, hotel name, date of booking, no of rooms booked, Wi-Fi facility or total bill. In previous problem we used public attributes, but here all of these attributes are private to ensure encapsulation. This means we cannot access them directly outside the class. Instead, we use a constructor to initialize them when creating a hotel object. Additionally, we create getters and setters for each attribute to access and modify them when needed. For example, to get the hotel ID, we use the getHotelID method, and to update it, we can use setHotelID. This helps us manage the data in a controlled way and follow good object-oriented principles. Now we create 2 static methods in solution class. First, baat curious, we also have the number of rooms booked in given month. This method takes array of hotels or a month as inputs. It checks the date of booking for each hotel, splits the date to isolate the month Feb, or if the month matches, we add this number of rooms booked for that hotel to a count course. This count is returned at the end. If no rooms are found for that month, we return 0. Next, we have the method search hotel by Wi-Fi option. This method also takes the array of hotels on a Wi-Fi option as inputs. We search through the hotels, checking if the Wi-Fi facility matches the input. If it does, we add that hotel to a list. After gathering the matching hotels, we sort them by total bill in descending order. Hamalam return the hotel with the second highest total bill. If no hotel matches, we will return in null column. Finally, in the main method, we handle the input and output ne. First create an array of 4 hotels. We use the scanner class that we inputs our each hotel code. So hotel ID, hotel name, date of booking, number of rooms booked, Wi-Fi facility and total bill. This details are then used to create hotel objects which are stored in the hotels array. The next take input for the month and Wi-Fi option ko basakup karika sab kain inputs to the methods we created earlier. When we call the number of rooms booked in given month method, we will check if the result is greater than 0. If it is, we print the total number of rooms booked. If it is 0, we will print from a number of rooms booked in the given month. Then we call the search hotel by Wi-Fi option method. And then if it matters a hotel, we print its hotel ID. If no matching hotel is found, we print no such option available. And that's the code may. We implemented a hotel management system with two key functionalities: counting rooms booked in a specific month and finding the hotel with the second highest total bill for a given Wi Fi option. The project also follows encapsulation principles, keeping the data safe within the class. Or if you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more coding content. And thanks for watching.